per month.
You can only
So
go.
typically, what does that cost?
Do you
like the rollers?
That would cost. So if you went more than twice a month,
Yeah.
this would be a better deal.
Yeah, I have
We go
to.
like twice a day.
You go how often?
Not twice a day. Sometimes,
A lot,
sometimes once to Jack's because they're so
Okay.
expensive, but at least
That's a
two
good
of
deal.
them.
No, I get those little gold coupons.
It's our outing.
Yeah, that's fun. It's fun to be in the car too, but
Well, he likes that too. So.
Do you like the rollers?
He likes small. He's got thousands of both ways. He's not the only one. If you go on YouTube, there's a lot of people that do it. So.
no, I love watching my car. It's okay.
Okay, come on. You wanna? Should we go follow your car? Bye bye. Nice talking to you guys. Where's your car? I went through already. Did I? You go through already? Let's get out the tip. You want to give the man the tip this time, or you want Mom to? Mom to do it? Ready? We'll have to get this one tomorrow when we go tomorrow.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, same to you. Or to your mom. Okay, ready, baby? Come on.
Cold.
Go somewhere.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, did it stop? It'll start again.